Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to find your age on X, the platform formerly known as Twitter, using the web version on your computer. X has recently updated its layout, and many options have slightly shifted. So let's go through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and go to x.com. Make sure you're signed in to your X account. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the left-hand side of the screen where the navigation bar is located. In that navigation bar, click on the option labeled More. It's represented by 3 small dots and usually appears near the bottom of the list. This will open a drop-down menu with several settings and tools that let you manage your account. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This section contains all your major account preferences and information. You'll see several subcategories here related to security, privacy, and personalization. Next, click on your account. This is the place where you can access everything related to your account details, like your username, email, phone number, and other personal information connected to your profile. Under your account, choose Account Information. Depending on your security settings, X might ask you to confirm your password before allowing you to view these details. Enter your password if prompted. Once you're on the Account Information page, look through the list of options until you find the section labeled Age. Click on it, and you'll see the exact age or birth date that's currently linked to your X account. That's it. You've successfully found your age on X through the web version. Knowing how to locate this information is useful if you ever need to confirm your age, update it, or check how it appears on your profile. If this guide helped you, don't forget to share it with others who might be trying to navigate the new X layout. Thanks for watching.